Welcome back to Blessed Hustles. In this channel, we used to teach people how they can make money online using their phone, using their laptop, and make a lot of money. And in today's video, I am going to review this website called startclicks.com. Guys, I have been a member of this website quite some time now, and I have been working. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you people whether this website actually worth it, whether they are what they claim to be. So when you come to this website called StartClicks, after scrolling up and down, maybe going through the website, the first thing you need to do is by the top right hand corner of the page, you will see sign up. You click on sign up and you create your account. But before we do that, you need to know what this website is all about. This website is a kind of PTC website whereby you come and watch ad and make your money. And they have a kind of plans you need to upgrade to, maybe some certain plans in order to make more money. But there is free plan, that is the silver plan, and you get paid through PayPal according to them. So for me, I already have an account with this website, so I don't need to sign up anymore because that is against the policy of the company. So all I got to do is log in. So I just clicked on the login button, guys. So here I need to put my email and my password. Okay, then I have to put in this code 4661. Then I click on login. It will log me in if the password is correct. So okay, we are successfully logged in. As you can see here, guys, I already made 35.09 USD and I made 0.16 USD through referral. So guys, what's going on here, guys, is that there is silver plan. We have the silver plan, which is the free plan. So once you create an account, automatically you will be on the silver plan, and you will be getting some ads here. Today, as you can see here, we have 5 ads that I need to watch and make money. Okay, so before I go ahead to tell you whether this website actually worth it or not, let's look at some buttons by the left hand corner of the page and as well as the top side of the page. So by the left hand corner, we have account overview. If you want to see your account, we have mobile verification, which is the second tab. Once you create account in this website, you need to verify your phone number. Okay, and we have balance transfer. There is option for you to transfer your earnings to another person who is also a user of StartClicks, and you can transfer to your bank account or to your PayPal. Okay, you can request payment. Then we have account settings for you to change your password and so forth. We have referral. You can make money here through referral. Everyone you refer is $0.08, if I'm not mistaken, is $0.08. Then down we have upgrade accounts. Okay, guys, if you click on this upgrade account, you will see different plans maybe you want to earn more on this website. So once you click on upgrade account, you will see other plans. So by default, once you create account, by default you will be on silver plan, and you can upgrade to gold plan, which is 19.95 USD. You can also upgrade to platinum plan, which is 49.95 USD, guys. So as I'm telling you guys, I saw some review from other people regarding this website. That's people that had bad experience regarding this website. I also saw review from people that said they made some money from this website. So I decided to try it out because, guys, as I told you, I normally venture in all these websites and know which one is working and which one that is not working, so that I can share it with the general public, guys. So as I told you guys, once you register or you create your account, you will be getting some ads of which you're gonna watch and make some money. Once you register newly, you will be on the silver plan and you'll be getting up to 25 ads every day, of which after watching it you will get maybe 0.030 or 25 USD. Not 25 USD, I mean 0.025. That is about some 25 cents, guys. 25 or 30 cents, so you'll be getting that every day, and they are going to motivate you to upgrade your account. They will motivate you to upgrade your account to the gold plan or platinum plan. So what is going on here, guys? My pure and sincere review is that this website, they are not what they ought to be. They are not what they claim to be, guys. So what they are doing is they will motivate you to upgrade your account, because every day you'll be making about 25 cents, and the minimum withdrawal, let's check out the minimum withdrawal. Let's go to balance transfer, request payment. Okay, you see the minimum withdrawal is 50 USD. So 25 cents every day, that will take you a very long time to reach this minimum withdrawal. So they will motivate you to upgrade your account to maybe gold plan or platinum plan. And once you do that, guys, that is all. Once you do that, that is all. So that is what is going on here, guys. So you should be very, very careful. I actually bought the gold plan, and they promised me maybe I'll be getting up to 8 USD every day, or 7 USD every day, or 5, because the amount actually fluctuates. As you can see, today is 3.50. So then after buying this plan, I was not getting up to 1 USD every day. And after 1 month, they canceled this plan. They canceled it, and they were asking me to buy another one. After 1 month, I couldn't get up to 35 USD for the 19.95 USD that I have spent. So guys, that is actually what is going on. And once you reach the minimum withdrawal, which is 50 USD, they hardly pay. Even if you reach it, they hardly pay. So after about a month, they will cancel this plan that you have bought. They will cancel it. They will cancel it. And to worsen the situation, they cannot allow you to buy the new plan from your balance. They can't allow you to buy from your balance. They are after your money. They want to extort you. So guys, you have to be very, very careful, guys. Money is not easy to get these days. You have to be very, very careful. Most of these guys, they are crooked, you know. So that is my honest review about this website, guys. I just ventured in to know what is going on so that I can share it with my people over there who are interested in my content. So you have to be very, very careful. And you find out that once you buy this plan, once you upgrade, after they cancel it, the normal ads that you normally get every day, it will reduce so that you will not reach the minimum withdrawal. As you can see here, before I buy the plan, I normally get up to 25 ads, 30 ads to watch every day. But after they have cancelled the plan I bought, they were giving me 2 ads to watch. They give me 2 ads, 1 ad or 3 ads every day, because they know with this number of ads I cannot reach the minimum withdrawal balance and I can't withdraw. And they don't allow me to buy another plan from my balance. This is pure and pure evil. So these people are after their selfish interests, not for the interest of the investors or the general public. They are after their selfish interests, and this is pure let me not use the word criminality, but this is not good actually. So guys, you have to be very careful. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this video, and don't forget to check out for other videos. Thank you.